J107 underscore 1. Okay, so first up, I'm going to create my main method. And inside of my main method, I'm going to declare a constant variable called size set equal to 20 in case I decide later down the road that I wanted to make a smaller or larger array. It would be much easier to change the size adjustments in the code. Then I'm going to declare an array and create it because it's technically an object with the size of 20 in this case. And then I'm going to start making some other methods that will come in handy, starting with my getRandom char method. This has no parameters, but on the inside I am going to declare a variable to hold a value. And I'm going to do a do while loop that assigns a random character value. So I have to type cast this to a character because I'm using math.random, which also has to be typecasted to an int. Hilarious. Math.random. And we're going to multiply this by some stuff. I need to do my max value, which is lowercase z, plus 1 if I want it to include z, and minus my min value, which is uppercase A. And outside of that, I will add my min value. So this is going to generate a random character between uppercase A and lowercase c on the ASCII table. But there are about 7 random characters between lowercase a and uppercase z. So we're going to use our while condition to filter those out. So if the character is greater than uppercase z and less than lowercase a, it will repeat the loop until we get one of our alphabet characters. And outside of that, we will return this character. Then I'm going to have another method, and I'm going to do void, where I store values. The parameter here is going to be my array. And I'm doing this as a void method because methods treat arrays as reference values. So I don't have to worry about returning an array. Oh, but I do want to insert the size, so let's add that in here. So now I'm going to have a for loop where I start with 0 and I go until the size, and we increment by 1. And inside my loop, I'm going to assign values to the array at the given index by calling my getRandom character. And then the last method I'm going to create is also void because I'm not returning any values, is going to be my printout method. And again, we're going to take an array of characters as my parameter. And for this one, I'm going to use a for each loop. So this one automatically determines the length of the array in order to display. And we're going to do this all in one line. So if I go back to main, I'm going to call my functions, starting with store value. So I'm going to put my array and my size in there, and then print out with the array. And there's my array of random characters.